Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.